Welcome, guys. I don't know, because of some kind of problem with YouTube. I couldn't resume. It's accidentally become offline, and I couldn't stream. There is a problem. I just have a breakfast, and then I come to computer, and then when I want to go online, no, when I want to turn on the camera, I see the notification offline. But I had internet for whole time. I need to message. I need to text. Sorry, due to bug with OBS and YouTube. Hi. Okay. We have. We are online. Fun. It's fun. I don't know where is the problem. Problem is in my computer, or is in my OBS program, or in the YouTube. Bullshit. I know. I just need to clean my phone. I need to just clean my phone RAM. I'll close all applications and open it one more time. Which else? Yes, now it's working. Okay. Good. So now we are continuing implementing the computer. So here we have a NAND game platform. It is simulator of the hardware, and we have a levels here. Okay, let me to make it bigger. To make it bigger. So we have logic gates, and then arithmetics, and then switching, and then arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic logic unit is a combination of arithmetics and logic gates, and then we are doing the condition, the last one. If we succeed doing this one, and then we can go to the memory, and overall the last processor, and then we can, we can create our own assembly program, macros. I don't know what is macros, but we will figure out. Okay, we have a momentum, and we should keep this momentum, and we should go. Okay. Okay. Levels, solve problem. Okay, here. Okay, let's keep going. If you have any questions, just write in chat. I will try to check chat. Chat is in this screen. I'm in another screen. My background is actually, it is not my actual background. It is mountains from Uzbekistan. But which region? You should guess. If there is problem with microphone, write in microphone. If there is a noise problem, if there is something making a noise, write. First of all, I'm very sorry if there is a noise, if it's difficult for you to watch, and if there is some kind of things using may improve our stream, our this work, then just type, write. I'm happy to read and I'm happy to learn. Okay, we have a condition. Okay, we have a condition. I think I should change my chair. Okay, we have a condition. These three flags indicate three possible conditions for the number x. Okay, we have three conditions. Is negative not for us, XOR? Just wait. X more than 0. X equal to 0, yes. X more or equal to 0. Inverse. No, it's not. It's not what I want. It's not what I want. NAND no. XOR no. Or no. If I use is negative. If it is 1, it means negative. If it is 1, it means if it is 0, means not negative, right? This means positive. This is equal, not equal to 0. Is 0. If it is 0, then 0. If it is 1, then 1. Okay. NAND. Okay, welcome, good morning. It is 11 a.m. in Korea. And it should always be 1, it should be just 1. But when it is 1, it is 1 based on these flags and based on these guys. Let's try to satisfy this one. If GT is 1, if GT is 1, and then we are returning 1. If it is 1, means GT is 0. If GT is 1, then 0. If NAND is 0 and x more than 0. So we will use AND to connect both of them. Okay, we are connecting only, we are satisfying this one, basically speaking. Now, let's satisfy this one. This is 0. Now, if this is 1, if this is 1, then what? If this is 1, it means... If it is 1 means what? If it is 1 means equal. Is 0. No. Let's have a head. Hint 1. Only one of 3 conditions can be true at a time. No, 2 of them are... Are you sure? Only one of the 3 conditions can be true. But why you are including this guy? That makes sense. Maybe this condition. He is referring to this condition. There are already components available to determine the first 2 conditions. Less than 0 and equal to yes. Yes. I mean, this is not a big problem. I mean, it is not what I'm looking for. Click. Should we do hint 4? No? Should we do? Should we go? I don't like these hints. They are useless. I expected something more. I am concerned about how to connect these guys. These guys are simple. Oh, we have 10 views? Is it true? Actually, I should maybe switch to Telegram or switch to Twitch. But I cannot switch to Twitch actually. Because YouTube, I think YouTube is not the best place for streaming. We need the last one. Output 1 if it output is 1 if it is equal to 0. Okay. Or or this one, and there is and. And b is what? X less than 0, 0 less than 0. Yes. Or okay, what else? IQ is equal to IQ is equal to that one. Okay, no. Or IQ and X equal to 0. Okay. Or GT. GT is here. What? No. 0, 0, 1, 2 to 1. It should be 0. Okay. Why is it? Why? We will fix it, guys. We will fix it. No problem. It should be 0. Why it's 0? Or okay, this one. If GT means greater than 0, greater than 0. Is negative means no. Look. Is negative doesn't mean is positive, because we have negative and 0 and positive, right? Yes, we did it. Actually, it was difficult. Well done. Next level. CR. No, SR. Set reset latch. Component can hold a single bit output. As one, set. Sets the output to 1. R1 sets the output to 0. When both are 1, the output is unchanged. It is previously set or reset value is still output. The circuits built until now have no memory, but memory is necessary for building interesting computers. Yes.
Sende şu tarlasını şey var mı?
Again.
İyi. 15 saniye.
Your mission at ايش بقول ده مانجا كده انا مش لسه بذاكرك هلا انا بمجانكو ايه مجانكو
Bir tane farklı değil.
ki abitten ki cumadan ki kısa bana. Your mission this time is to build a latch, a component that can hold latch onto 1 bit. This is the simplest form of memory, but building on this we can create a larger unit of computer memory. Okay, let's revise. First of all, let's revise what we did.
Kaç suydu sırlar?
12 dakika. So we have arithmetic logic unit. We did logic unit, we have arithmetic unit, we have LEU condition. We make a selector switch, arithmetics, logics. Now we want a memory. Now we want to add memory. And then we want to add the processor. We should do it. Say okay. Huh? Set s equal 1. A1 should be held. Change R to 1. Since both inputs are 1, previously held value 1 should be output was 0. If both are 1, then we need to return 1, right? How to represent undefined? I don't know. Okay, when we have 0 0, it should return not used. I don't know. When we have 1 1, previous output. We should write somewhere, right? We have a memory. We have a memory somewhere. We should implement the memory. Let's read one more time. Where is the help? Look, look, look. The circuit built until now have no memory, but memory is necessary for building interesting computers. Okay, fine. Clear, right? Clear. Your mission is this time is to build latch, a component that hold 1 bit. A component which hold 1 bit. This is the simplest form of memory, but building on this we can create larger unit of computer memory. Okay. We need a latch. We need something which will store it. Okay. Look. When it is 1 and 1, it is 1 and 1 get from memory. Which one can be represented as a latch? And or inf or how I can represent it? How can I make a latch from these 5 components? Am I missing something? XOR inf or and this only gets, right? Can I read from this one? No. But I need to read it. I need to store something to memory. Memory, okay, memory. We should think memory. Let's read one more time, okay? Let's read it one more time. We need to discover, guys. An SR latch component can hold a single bit output. I think I am not getting something. Okay, what is memory? Memory is just bits. Yes, that's right. Memory is just a bit, yes. Then what? We have 2 inputs. Simple, simple, simple, simple. It is simple, guys. It is simple. It's simple. It's not big deal. It's not big deal. It's just simple. Ledge. We need to store 1 bit. Okay, we need to store somewhere 1 bit. If C is 1, then the output should be 1. But output is not 1. C is 1, out R is 0, it should be 1, yes. When 0 and 1 output should be 0, but it is not 0. I think we should create some kind of dynamic movement inside. I think this is memory, I think, guys. If something triggers, if it satisfies, it goes. And it stays here also. Memory is recurrency. Do you agree? C is NAND. Set a memory, okay? Memory. If this is 1, then set a memory as 1, okay? Look. We have. Can use AND. We can use this one. We can use this one. We can say, output should come from memory, or maybe another place. So from this one, we should read from ourselves, and B. What is oscillating means? Oscillating. Vibration switching. Okay, switching. It doesn't have that oscillating problem. Does it have? If C is 0, if C is 1, in that case set the output to 1. Okay. If this is 0, we have this 1 forever, you know, forever. Okay. We turn on, fine. Off, fine. Check solution. Okay, this gives always 1 because when we turn off, this should be 0 because when we turn off, it should be off. Maybe let's go with end. When we have 1, it is 0.
مطلب simulation bilen başlayalım mı?
Bu mu?
Ha.
Website arkadaşım check. So false, right? It's false. This is always true. This is always false. How does latch work? Can we combine? Maybe we don't need to have one component. Maybe we should include 2 components. And 1 0 0 1. We have inf. We have and, right? And we have or, and we have XOR. When it is 1, it should go as 1, right? When it is 1, we should set our memory to 1. What is our memory? I don't know what is our memory yet. What can hold our memory? What can hold? Let's answer this question. What can hold our memory? And? Hold? Look. Now it seems we did memory. It seems we have a memory now. على وقت برا كده. وقت برا على كده. خوش. Now we have and. يتوين يقول المسا كده.
كل يوم برسون
يا كده. برصوت يتميده. حالی پیشکم یورشیز var kale.
معلش حتى بتوكيس
How to create memory? Memory. We need memory, brother. Memory. We have set. We have reset. Guys,
flash memory.
let's ask help. You will need to use a circular component connection in order to get the circuit to hold on. Yes, we discovered it. We found it. We can use circular. Oh. What's the problem? Hmm? كده يا كده. Circular connection in order to get the circuit to hold onto the input. I have no idea, guys. Why it's difficult? What about if you use a NAND? How was a NAND? How was to use NAND? Look. If it's 1 it's 0. Oh my god, yes, absolutely. No? Okay, we are using, okay. NAND is a memory, guys. NAND is a memory. Okay, but when we turn on, we have a problem. When we have turned off, this is memory. Okay, brother. Have a good trip to Italy. Bye, biryani. Bye, biryani, brother. Huh?
Hocam, take out. You want?
What will we eat for breakfast? For lunch.
Meat? Right after coming.
Bring that boy. Bring that boy.
Boy?
That guy.
Oil boy.
Oil boy. Okay, 1001. I think you should call before.
Why?
Because he will turn off.
He may disappear.
Disappear.
Okay.
Company doesn't reach a state.
아빠 힘도 아니.
Rain, raining?
어?
Yeah.
주말 가는 거네. 왜? 그새 나왔겠지.
Force majeure situation, guys. It is raining outside. I need to take my clothes laundry.